Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick this cabling that was sent to me. I'm going to be hanging a clothesline with it today. You can see it comes with a bunch of clips. That's the part that I'm going to be showing you guys. So this cabling is super smooth. It's going to hold around 100 pounds per single strand. You can double it, triple it, we'll do whatever you want. But the first thing you're going to do is we want to measure out how long we want our strand to be. So I'm going to do it about that long. Next thing you're going to do is just cut the strand. So I'm just going to cut it just like that. So how we're going to secure this is with the clamps that it comes with, crimps. So you're going to send it through one way, then you're just going to double it up. Just like that. And then we're going to crimp it right in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and get the crimp started with my cutters actually. They're going to create a lot of pressure. And as you can see, go this way with it too. So got both ends crimped. And it's nice and tight. So now what I'm going to do is wrap this around this pole on one end and send it through the loop. So now I'm going to come down here on this end, wrap my wire around the spot that I want it to be, put it through the other end of my crimp, get my pliers here, pull it real tight, cinch that down, and there you go. We got a nice tight wire. Like I said, I'm going to use this to hang some clothes. So I'm going to grab my blanket. I'm going to let it dry out here in the nice summer breeze. See, it's plenty strong enough, plenty smooth enough for this blanket to slide up and down without doing anything to the blanket. And that's this wire. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.